Okay, it looks like Aaron is not here. He always tucks his stuffed animals into bed when he wakes up. Kaylee, sweetheart. Okay, I'm gonna wake him up. Aaron. I think there he is. Good morning, buddy. No way. You're doing language arts? My little guy woke up to do school. What? Let's go wash up, brush our teeth, and get dressed for the day. Yeah, wash our face and our eye crusties out. I'm gonna take Marilyn to put some clothes on for the day and do her hair, and then we're gonna go downstairs and unload the groceries that my husband just went and got. Okay, so I'm gonna unload the groceries. I almost said it in Spanish, the compra, and go ahead and cook breakfast and all that. So I'm not gonna record because it gets a little chaotic in the kitchen. My husband's in there making something, my daughter is unloading the dishwasher, and then we have to unload the grocery bags, and he's still in jammies, so I'm not gonna put him on camera. So I'm gonna get back with you after all that is done. Okay, so I want to explain to you guys a little bit of what we're doing right now in our homeschool. So we haven't officially started. I haven't counted what we're doing as our official first day of school yet. I am this year, I'll give you a little channel update. I was going to make a separate video, so let me set the camera up properly so I can actually give you our homeschool update. Alright, so I just wanted to get on here really quickly and just give you a quick update on our homeschooling plans for the year, and also just let you know like what you're going to see today. So today's video is just a little day in the life of our summer time here. We started homeschooling. Okay, let's rewind. This homeschool year, I have been asked to help in homeschooling a friend of the family's daughter, and she is going to be going into first grade. So she is new into our homeschool, and I'm going to be helping to do some things with her. So you'll be seeing another child in my homeschool. So the main thing is that last homeschool year, when you guys were watching the videos, I've had 2 homeschoolers. If you guys are very old to my channel, you see that I had 3. I had my oldest daughter and then my 2 other kids. So then last year my oldest daughter went to school for 7th grade, and now because of the way that school's gonna be all funky and I feel like they're probably gonna shut down again, we are gonna homeschool for her 8th grade year, and then God willing she'd be able to go to high school because that's what she really wants to do. So she's back home with us this year. You won't be seeing a lot of her on our videos because she asked me not to record her. So I'm gonna do a 8th grade curriculum choices review video for you guys. The problem is that everything is on back order because there's so many new homeschoolers. Nothing is being shipped on time. There's a lot of things are out, and so we're also still trying to figure out which math we're going to use. I think that we've got it down packed. So she's not going to do any schoolwork yet. She just wants to dive in and just get started. She doesn't want to ease into it. She's ready to, when it's time to go, she just wants to go. Well, we're going to have our new student coming in, and we're going to have a real legit first day of school, and so that's when all that's going to be starting. But this week and last week for my son and my daughter who's little, they needed some more time to prepare, to get their mind from summer to doing school again. And this is the first year my son's language arts is more independent. As you saw when he woke up this morning, he went and did it himself, which is great. So he's getting in the groove of it. So with the math, we're doing the same thing. The next lessons are a little difficult. I have squirrels, I have cars going over here, I have my son peeking his head up there. I'm just looking all over the place. But his math, what we ended off with, was a little challenging. So I want to get him out of that into the math where he can start doing it by himself again. The goal is to start easing him into the homeschool routine so that when I do have my 4th student, we're not trying to figure out all these things. So I'm also trying to figure out what works in terms of our schedule and what doesn't work, and I'm homeschooling my little one to get her ahead of the game, so that if there's days when I can't focus on her because maybe things might be chaotic, I don't know what to expect, at least she's already ahead. So that's the plan. That's what you're going to see today. Is you're going to see a very short homeschool lessons, and then we're just going to take you on with us for the rest of the day. And you can just get a full day in the life in like short little clips. So that's what's happening now. So now we're gonna go ahead to do Beast Academy.
So I'm just gonna do the lab thing.
No.
Yes.
You can do that for fun, but that doesn't count. We gotta get started on your lesson.
I still have to finish this thing.
Okay, so you do this while we go on a walk, okay? And then you're gonna go to your lesson book, and you're gonna go to where we left off. Remember where you were having trouble at the end of the last lesson? It's like the last week. We're gonna get through that this week so that we can start a new unit, okay? Okay, so instead of doing a math lesson, he's a little overwhelmed right now for some reason. I guess because he's got summer on his brain. I let him play video games this morning, which was a big mistake because that always takes focus off.
He said no lesson, no lesson.
So what we're gonna do is practice these perfect square cards that I'm writing out now, and then tomorrow he can do this lesson. We're gonna redo the lessons that he got low scores on for the perfect square. So I'm going to show you here. After I write this, I'm going to show you how that works. Cheer up, okay? So when it comes to things that the kids don't know, I like to drill it in their heads using flashcards and this technique. What's 4 times 4?
69 and 4.
What?
16, 9, and 4.
Okay, but if I'm gonna point to it first. Ready? 2 times 2.
4.
4 times 4.
9. 16.
3 times 3.
9. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 2 is 4. 9 times 9 is 81.
Oh, and you sound a fun one too.
And the day before yesterday, I cleaned my room.
All by yourself. We're gonna make a video sometime soon with our
And I
nighttime
brushed my teeth all by
list.
myself and did all the stuff by myself.
Yes, in November actually we're having a whole month of family type videos. October is gonna be all fall and Halloween themed videos. I have a lot of exciting things coming up. September is gonna be all homeschool day in the life type videos. And so right now over the summer I'm giving homeschooling tips and I'm giving curriculum reviews. This is just a sprinkle of a day in the life for you guys. No more eating. You can't read if you're eating.
Help it, Mama.
You know what? We're gonna remove the snacks. I can't wait to get on the like strict routine where we have like designated snack time and all that. So, you remember our new sound? Shh. You try it. Put your finger on the ball at the top. Okay.
That's so easy. Little.
Yes.
Little Pinky's walking across the road trying to go to her mother. And her dad was with her.
Okay, I need some coffee. I have my old coffee pot here because we're out of Keurigs, and then I have this little mug that I made with my mom on it, who's no longer with me, on her second to last birthday here, the last big birthday celebration that we had for her. We took her out to dinner at a fancy restaurant, and then we took her walking in a place that has little shops, and then we bought her little home and got her a little cake and got her some gifts. So it was a beautiful birthday, and this always reminds me of it. I'm gonna throw some creamer and some Truvia in there, and then I feel like it's hard to try to get the kids to do a little bit of school, especially when they're not on the same page. I'm really not even on the same page. Like, you're gonna see today our schedule where we go with the flow. It's kind of fun, but a person who's structured, it's kind of hard to get into that. But we kind of just do whatever we want during the day, and then the evening time when my husband's done working, he's upstairs, been working from home. When he's done working is when the fun comes in, because we might go to my in-laws and swimming. Tonight we're going to my cousin's house to go swimming and hang out to see another cousin who came from Philadelphia. Sometimes we just have movie nights. We throw all the little air mattresses that we bought that you saw upstairs out on the floor. We'll have like a movie night with snacks, or we'll have like the other night we went on a family bike ride. No, we didn't. We do that, but we went on a family walk at this park. We took lots of pictures. It was so much fun. Sometimes we just throw ourselves down. We play video games. We'll play Roblox with my son, all of us together. And we just really are enjoying this family time together. So I think that today is going to be the last day. What I wanted to see was how they were going to do with their new being independent and stuff like that. So I kind of have a feel what the school day year is going to look like. Continue to organize my stuff. Continue to put out videos for you guys. And then on August 17th, we're going to dive into it just head on. So I'm gonna go lay that out. I'm waiting for my plum paper planner to get in. I'm so excited. They partnered with them and we're gonna have a video on this planner. And once I get that, I feel like I can organize my life better. So I want to organize all of our homeschool and all of that stuff. So for now, I just have to use what I have. But we're supposed to have a tea party. Tea party right now?
Yeah, tea party right now.
And I promised someone to have
Mom,
Subway. You're starving?
Yes.
All right. Let me drink my coffee. Listen to me.
You told me to remind you to.
I am going to do a tea party with you, but this has to go inside my body if any of this is going to happen. Okay? All right. And I just remembered I don't have real pants on. I just have my pajama shorts, sleepy house shorts on. So let me go put on some jeans and then we're going to Subway. Back and I promised somebody a tea party. All set up for my little princess. Echo, play classical music for tea parties. Okay, come in. Lunch, my lady? Serve yourself sandwiches. Those are all yours. After the tea party, I took a little break. I needed a nap. I crashed. Even after that coffee, I still crashed. I'm feeling tired. So I'm gonna cook dinner now. It is 5:47, a lot later than I like to cook. My goddaughter's coming over, and then I'm gonna start packing things to go over to my cousin's house tonight, and we'll wrap this up. While I'm cooking, I may be editing a vlog. I haven't decided yet, or maybe I'll just catch up on my videos that I have to watch. So that's what's happening now. We're gonna cook dinner. Everything is cooking, beans are gonna boil and simmer, rice is cooking, chicken is baking, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on a video that I need to do for Friday, and then I'm drying the kids' bathing suits from last night because I totally forgot to do that, and packed up their towels, and the kids are playing. My goddaughter got here. And that's it for the day actually. So what we're gonna do is, like I said, go over to my cousin's house. We're gonna hang out. Kids are gonna hop in the pool. We'll probably have some appetizers, maybe some drinks, chill outside. That's that. And when we get home from there, my dryer's singing to me. When we get home from there, everybody's gonna shower, and I'll probably put a movie on for the kids to settle down and fall asleep, all of them in the game room together, and that'll be our night. That'll be the end of our night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.